Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the route and departure time so you avoid last-minute changes. Use the official operator app or the station schedule to pick your bus. This guarantees the correct bay. Once done, prepare your Iqama or passport and a payment method. MADA or SADED work widely, so you can buy or validate tickets quickly. Make sure to arrive 10 to 20 minutes early to locate the bay, ask staff about luggage allowances, and secure a good seat before boarding. You purchase your ticket online for convenience or at the station kiosk if plans change. Select a seat and enter passenger details to prevent issues. Once you have the QR code or printed receipt, validate it at the gate or with the driver when boarding to confirm your reservation. Store checked luggage in the hold according to stated size limits and keep valuables and essentials with you in the cabin. Doing this reduces delays and helps you settle in quickly for the journey. You stay alert for driver announcements and plan stops so you can prepare to disembark on time. Keep your Iqama or passport handy until you leave the vehicle. When the bus stops, exit promptly and collect your luggage from the hold, checking tags to ensure it's yours. If something goes wrong, like a delay, missed stop, or lost item, contact the operator's helpline or use the app chat immediately to report the issue and get guidance on recovery or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.